For $75,000, you're stepping into the world of high FPS and smooth gameplay with this incredible gaming PC build. Let's break it down. First up, the Ryzen 5 7600X CPU delivers lightning-fast performance, perfect for multitasking and gaming. Pair that with the RTX 4060 8GB GPU, and you're set for stunning graphics and fluid frame rates. We've got 16GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, ensuring you can handle even the most demanding games without a hitch. Storage? A 1TB NVMe SSD means quick load times and plenty of space for your favorite titles. The 650W Gold PSU guarantees reliable power, while the B650M motherboard provides a solid foundation for future upgrades. This setup plays Warzone, Apex, and Forza at over 100 FPS on high settings. If you're looking for next-gen performance, this is the build you need. Tag a friend who would love to level up their gaming experience.